and they are making a strategy how to confess their lies. And there is a lot of drama already. Got enough. You really don't want to repeat a history with you. For password, you lock yourself. Even this person is thinking about you out loud. Rebuild this connection stronger. Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of November, for the rest of November. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidelines from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern. This spread is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they are thinking towards you, what their feelings, what their attentions towards you, what their current situation. Okay, Libra, let's get started. What are the Libra person's feeling, attention, and thinking towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, attention, and thinking towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, attention, thinking towards Libra? And we are having here the Hermit, the Sun, Two of Wands, and Seven of Swords. So what are the Libra's feelings toward this person? Page of Cups. What are the Libra's feelings toward this person? What are the Libra's feelings toward this person? Six of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Five of Wands. So what are the mutual energies, Libra? So what are the mutual energies? And we are having here Nine of Wands and Seven of Cups. Okay, Libra, these are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Virgo with this Hermit card, Leo with this Sun card, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Swords and Two of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands and Nine of Wands and Two of Wands, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Six of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Page of Cups. Okay, Libra, let's talk about your person's feeling. And this person is in some kind of isolation. There is like distance from society, distance from everyone else, and this person is in some kind of isolation right now. And in this isolation and in this alone time, they feel like that you are their happiness and you are the brightness of their life. You bright this person's life. They feel so happy, they feel so energetic, they feel like they enjoy every moment of your life with you. You are this person's bright shining light. You are this person's sun, Libra. And also this person feel like that some kind of deception, some kind of sneaky, and some kind of under the Sun card there is a Seven of Sword. Only one thing about Seven of Sword is positive, like when someone planning a surprise party for you, that's it. This is the only positive thing about Seven of Swords. Otherwise this is a card of manipulation. This is a card of stealing something and getting away from their deception. So under the Sun card, I think this person feel like that maybe you are planning a surprise for this person because you are this person's happiness. But if there is another possibility, this person is feel like that there is some kind of they tell you some kind of lie, and they are planning and they are making a strategy how to confess their lies, how to confess their manipulation in front of you. In this isolation, this person realized that you are this person's happiness. You don't deserve to be cheated. You don't deserve to be get manipulated. This person want to confess. With this Two of Wands, I can say that this person want to confess, and this person is making some kind of strategy and plans and thinking about that how to confess in front of you. Whatever they lie to you, whatever they do, and they want to confess with this the way this person feel like that you are this person's happiness. In their isolation period, they feel like that they need to confess their lies. And in your side, this card jump out of the deck. You are want to offer this person emotions. You give this person some kind of emotions. This person is before you, this person is Libra, totally motionless, feelingless, but you give this person some kind of emotions, feelings, and you offer your love and your affection with this, dedication, with this generosity, with your helping nature you give them, like you totally give all of you to this person. With the Six of Pentacles, your resources, the 100% of you, all of you, you gave to this person, and you're willing to give this person, you support this person financially, you give your resources, you are so generous, you are so generous toward this person. And also you are like connecting to your inner self. You are like in some kind of talking to yourself, connecting to your logic, your subconscious mind, and want to take a decision. Like you are in that kind of phase when you are thinking over something, over a scenario, over a situation, and use your logic and your mind and want to take a decision. You are in some kind of that phase. And also with this Five of Wands, there is some kind of competition. There is some kind of people involved in this, and there is fighting, disputes, and there is a lot of drama you have to face, like people fighting and people talking to each other, and there is some kind of dramatic situation you have to face. And that's why you are connecting to your inner self, and you are connecting to your mind, you are using your brain in this situation. And with this line of wands and mutual energies, Libra, this person feel like that this person already got enough. They already face a lot of things. They already face a lot of pain. They already, in their past relationship, they face a lot of things like manipulation, like hurts, and deception and betrayal. And now this person is protecting their heart. They don't want another heartbreak. They don't want to repeat a history with you, because this is because of this Seven of Sword, this the manipulation, this lies. They really don't want to repeat this with you. They really don't want to hurt you, and they really don't want to get hurt in reaction, in your reaction. And with the Seven of Cups, you are a little bit confused. You are a little bit like in your mind in clouds. You feel some kind of fog. You don't know what to do in this situation, how to sort out this situation, how to talk to this person, how to sort out things. There is some kind of confusion in any matters. There is a confusion in you, Libra. So let's see what else we have for you, Libra. What else for Libra? What else for Libra? What else for Libra? And we are having here High Priestess, Page of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. Okay, Libra, this person feel like that you are totally go on a mystery mode. You are this person's like, you are become so mysterious for this person. In upcoming days, this person feel like that you are totally in some kind of mystery mode, because I think because of Two of Sword, the way you are using your brain and your logic. In general, casually, you are so helping and open, or talk this person, share your feelings with this person, share your emotions with this person. But when you're using your mind and your logic, this person, like, you become a mystery for this person after that. You they didn't know what happening in your mind. They don't know what are you planning and what are you doing right now, what is in your heart, what is in your mind. They're willing to know what is in your heart. And you are in a High Priestess mode. They feel like that some kind of code, some kind of password, you lock yourself. The feeling like that. And with this Page of Sword, you feel like that this person is spying on your collection information. This person is sneak into you. This person like want to know you. Like you feel, you also got that feel. This person want to know about you. This person is spying on you. This person is like talking about you out loud. Even this person is thinking about you out loud. Like this person is talking and thinking about you. This person want to know you. This person want to talk to you, connect with you, and they want to, maybe they will use some kind of social media just to know about you. Maybe they are stalking you. Maybe they are one by one checking your social media platforms and IDs. And with this Three of Pentacles as an outcome, Three of Pentacles, there is a potential in this relationship, and you both guys feel like that in upcoming days before this full moon, Libra. You feel like that you guys willing to work on this connection. You're willing to rebuild this connection stronger. you want to work on this connection, Libra. You feel like that this person and you willing to work on this connection and rebuild this beautiful relationship. There is a potential in this relationship. You will feel that. So let's see what message from your angel in this situation, Libra. What message from your angel? What message from your angel? And we are having here, yoga and exercise are essentials to your well-being, peace of mind, and spiritual growth right now. This is a beautiful message from your angel. That's how you can get some curves and abs. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Find answers inside. Spend some time with your mother. Live in a present moment. Think about yourself and value yourself. Don't be an option. These are few advice messages in the end for you, Libra. And summary of your reading is this person in some kind of isolation, and this person realized that they have to confess. If they lie to you, they need to confess. And because you are this person's happiness, this person feel like that you are in some kind of mystery mode, and you become a little bit, not open up with this person, and this person is spying on you, and there is a potential in this relationship, and this you and your person willing to rebuild this connection. These are few summaries of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.